Welcome to Tax-Free Wealth, income the IRS can't touch. In this 2026 update, we'll break down the biggest categories of 100% tax-free income and cover a critical change to student loan forgiveness. Category 1 covers gifts and inheritances. Annual gifts up to $19,000 per recipient are exempt from federal income tax. Inherited property or cash is also generally excluded from gross income. However, be aware that any income generated by the inherited asset afterward is fully taxable. Category 2 includes life insurance and medical payouts. Life insurance death benefits are completely tax-free to the beneficiary. Compensatory damages for physical injury or sickness are also excluded from income. Remember that emotional distress not tied to physical injury and punitive damages are taxable. Category 3 is Section 121, home sale exclusion, one of the biggest tax breaks. Single filers can exclude up to $250,000 of profit, and married couples filing jointly can exclude up to $500,000 of profit from the sale of their primary residence. You must have owned and lived in the home for at least 2 of the 5 years before the sale. Now for a critical 2026 update, the student loan tax bomb is back. From 2021 to 2025, the American Rescue Plan Act made student loan forgiveness federally tax-free. That provision has now expired. This means that as of 2026, IDR forgiveness is now considered taxable income. When your income-driven repayment, or IDR, ends and the balance is forgiven, the full forgiven amount is taxed as income. The real-world impact is significant. $50,000 forgiven equals $50,000 taxable income under IDR plans. If you are expecting IDR forgiveness in 2026, start setting cash aside now for your April tax bill. However, public service loan forgiveness remains completely tax-free. To summarize, the 4 tax-free income categories are gifts and inheritances, life insurance and settlements, and home sale profits. Remember that IDR forgiveness is now taxable income starting in 2026. The key takeaway is to know what the IRS can't touch. This includes most gifts and inheritances, life insurance and injury settlements, and up to $500,000 in home sale profits. For IDR forgiveness, plan ahead, as it is now taxable. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We aim to help you stop overpaying the IRS. Don't miss what's next. Like this video to help other taxpayers find this information. Subscribe to never miss a tax update or strategy breakdown. This video is for educational purposes. Consult a qualified CPA or tax advisor for advice specific to your situation.